Today we're making the best potatoes ever. Let's get started.
Let's just put all of the ingredients into the pot. I'm grinding into carrots. Orange beans are going to turn orange. Or into a carrot.
Too bad
Yellow means you're going to start to hot.
Too bad you're not a flamingo. If you ate a carrot, you would have turned orange.
Nobody wants those the onions.
Really? I'm not sure she would. Now, the next we have to add a 1 tablespoon of boiling butter,
Add some salt and pepper. I don't want to add so spicy hot pepper. So yes, let's film beans.
After you got all the ingredients in the pot, cover up the lid and turn on the gas and wait for the water to boil. After it starts boiling, turn off the gas and wait for 20 minutes. Then it will be juicy, buttery, and very, very soft. And potatoes are done. They look so soft, juicy, and buttery.